got this 2013 F350 and it's leaking. And you can tell because of the way that it is. So we're going to change the primary radiator. You take your first 4 bolts off the top here. And you're going to want to grab down here and just break it. Oh, God. Biscuit. I'm going to lose it. I just had to make sure those were clips. They're clips. Holy moly. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Those don't want to. Try something else. A little bit of this. We did it. It's good. Just get a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I got it. Calm down. Everybody calm down. Take your headlights out. Can't find an extension to save my life. Save me life. There is a lot going on in these things. Give it a. Oh. Yeah, just kidding. There's a bolt down there. There's a bolt down there. There's a bolt. Almost tricked me. Well, I can't get that in there. Oh, whoa. Well, I didn't have an extension that would fit, so I took the bumper off. You get it. Easy peasy, Japanesey. clips are just falling apart. Take this lower grill mount off. Drain your secondary radiator. Try not to break it when you're doing it. Just give it a little help. Lube up the seal. Oh, God. Oh, I messed up. Well, that's happening. It's all happening. Oh, God. Oh, God. Well, try not to pull it all the way out. Yeesh. Drain the big one too. Got green on one side, orange in the other. I'm gonna start taking this top piece off. The heck's the name of that thing? This radiator support. We gotta work on taking that off. For doing this job, you're gonna need this kit. It's a radiator hose O-ring kit for these trucks from Dorman. Comes with all the O-rings that you need. Make sure you pull your radiators out of your boxes. Your new radiator. First radiator that I bought had a big hole in the middle of it. So I'm waiting for the other one to come in. That's just the way it is. Take this little cover up right here. Pull this end of the cable out. Day 37, I got the cable out. Dangle the horns over there. A couple 13 millimeters here. A couple 10 millimeters holding the radiator. Give her the old neutral dumper. Yikes. What am I missing? Besides that, sucker's in there. There's probably a pin in here, isn't there? Well, stole my glove. Ooh, kind of crunchy. I'm just gonna pop this loose. Ooh. It's a little chunky from the aluminum. We're gonna take this, just dangle it over yonder. It's like, dang, man. Get that off. It's too quick and it clips. I take those off. We're just pulling back. They only go a certain distance. Good and stuck. Got it. This AC line's like right in the freaking way, man. I bet. Just pull it up. That's just gonna kind of float right there. So we're not gonna take it off. For this fella. Take this overflow tube off. Up here. Take this hose off here. Let that drain in there. Let the clamp fall in there. Take the big hose off over here. Okay. 4 8mm bolts holding the secondary radiator on. Take those out. There's a couple of hoses that'll get in the way. That thing is freaking heavy, dude. That thing's all clogged with stuff. This thing's been leaking for a long time. He said it's been leaking since it had 40,000 miles on it, and it's got 240 on it now. Wowzers. Do the same thing to this one. Pull it up. Wiggle around if you can. They're pretty stuck. Oh man, they are stuck. Give it a couple taps with the screwdriver just to break it loose. Try not to bust the hose. It's starting to come undone. There we go. That one's off. There's a couple shroud bolts on the bottom. These are kind of hard to get to, so you're gonna need a wrench, preferably a ratcheting wrench. That one. Pull it up out of the seat. My hose is trying to go back on. Hurt your back while you're doing it. What was that? Get this far enough back. Slide it out of there. I'm gonna need help getting it out. There it is. There's your leaker. They're all right there. You gotta change the O-rings in these hoses. So try to pull one out and show you. If you try to reuse these, I guarantee it'll leak. Guarantee. They're supposed to be round and they're totally flat. See that flat edge on there? It's hard to see in the camera, but you got to change those. Match them up with the size you got with your kit. Stick it in the groove and just push it in there. Make sure you do that to all of them. Got our new one. Get that slid in there. Oh. Good as possible here. Well, be nice to it now. pins and assemble in reverse order. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, guys.